Have you ever tried modeling 1,000 beam and columns type manually? Sound crazy, right? You'd probably spend hours, maybe even days, clicking, naming, adjusting, repeating, over and over click. But what if I told you there's a way to do it in just 1 minute? Yes, 1 minute. One Dynamo script and one idea that can change the way you look at Revit forever. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create a custom section for beam and columns using Dynamo, and then how I use that same definition to generate 1,000 different family types automatically. I even calculate how long it would take. And trust me, the result may surprise you. Whether you are new to Dynamo or already using it, your workflow, this quick example will open your eyes to just how powerful automation in Revit can be. So ready to save yourself hours of work and take your modeling to the next level. Now we run Dynamo player and run stopwatch timer and run this script. This script is running and we waiting for creating and regenerating family type, columns and beams. As you can see, this section created to only 50 seconds and all 1,000 section created, and we check it. Yes, all of this created.